Has been a test of the emergency warning system. This was only a test. Esta ha sido una prueba del sistema de aviso de emergencia. Esta es solo una prueba.
And then we got some newbies over here. Well, not him. I like his shirt, by the way. Let's see this shirt real quick. Let's see that shirt. That's a nice shirt right there. I like that.
I got the signal.
Gotta thank OWS. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Thank you, Adam. Either guys, Robot Proud Gamers, I'll be Kessler here. Bet you guys saw the tornado siren video. Glad to at least been able to do a tornado siren video for this month. I'm extremely happy about that. More things coming to the channel as well. We will have, some aviation videos and that sort of thing, trying to get that going and stuff like that. But I just wanted to thank everybody again for the continued support. I apologize there was not a tornado siren video last month. Again, just the weather kind of messed it up. And, you can't really say anything from Mother Nature. So I just want to let you guys know that. And thank you guys again for watching the video. And we will see you guys probably in the next few videos. I'm going to probably be doing, again, some aviation videos, going over to Farms Plaza and stuff like that. So, yeah.